Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how people are making money on YouTube using a simple copy and paste content strategy. Take a look at this channel. In the last month alone, it generated over 250 million views and earned around $7,000. That's roughly $150 per day, and most of the content creation process is extremely simple. To prove these numbers are real, I'll even show you the settings. As you can see, the revenue is displayed in US dollars. I'll refresh the dashboard live so you know this isn't a screenshot or a fake claim. This is a YouTube Shorts automation channel, and the results are incredible. Just look at the stats. The channel is generating consistent daily income and currently has over 3.8 million subscribers. Now let's check the last 28 days. In the past 28 days alone, this channel received over 100 million views and generated approximately $4,000 in revenue. And in this video, I'm going to explain how channels like this are able to get massive views and turn them into real income. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button because I'm about to show you something most creators never talk about. Now let's look at the last 90 days. In the previous 90 days, this channel accumulated over 400 million views. Most people still believe that YouTube Shorts don't make money, but these numbers tell a completely different story. The reality is that Shorts can generate serious income when you choose the right niche, follow the right strategy, and consistently publish content. Now, you're probably wondering, what channel is this? What niche are they in? How are these videos being made? And how can you create something similar yourself? If you want a complete breakdown of this channel, leave a comment below. Once we hit 100 comments, I'll upload part 2, where I'll reveal the exact niche, content strategy, video creation process, and the complete system behind this channel's growth. So subscribe, like the video, and comment part 2 if you want the full breakdown. I'll see you in the next video.